What I wish I knew before I put in my LS1. The first thing is get a motor lift plate. Okay, take off the intake manifold, put on the lift plate, and it'll make this whole thing a lot easier. I did not have a lift plate, and I actually gouged my firewall in the back because one of these things was sticking out. So that's number one. Number two, don't put on the balancer until the motor's on the car. Look at this. It's gonna be covered up, but I mean, I tore it up. Right here, and this is bent back. Third thing is, get some foam, put it on your front bumper. My bumper was torn up before this, but you know what? I still could have got away with it. It would have been a 10, 15 footer. Now it's like a 30, 40 footer. I'm gonna get a new bumper. It's not a big deal to me, but get some foam, put it over here, get the lift plate. It'll make things a lot easier. And my last tip is drag a friend to help you. I did this completely alone with the TH350 connected, and it took me a long time. It was a lot of work. If I had a buddy to help me, it would have been a lot easier. I mean, you don't have to put the transmission on it, but I decided to. I probably next time will just pull the motor, but you live and learn. So I hope this helps you swapping in your LS1 in any car. Thanks for watching.